All right, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. We're cooking tonight. We've got some big news for you guys coming up, and just doing our charcoal here real quick. Remember to get it all white. We've done many videos of cooking steaks. We're doing a New York strip tonight, boneless. Just a little rub there, dried garlic, some salt, pepper, the mix. This one's a little less just because Nicole doesn't like as much. I'm doing some butter on it to sit while we barbecue, and some asparagus and olive oil. And we're doing one of Dave Phinney wine. These are the locations, which are actually pretty good. Around $20 a bottle. He just, I haven't really read up on it, but I'm assuming he handpicks or, goes to a winery, picks out and relabels it as a reference to French wine. What I think a good table wine would be. I tried the New Zealand one and it was delicious. And now we are doing the French one. Little Hagrid over here cruising the yard. And we're gonna dump these and get the steaks on. And we got some good news coming. Stay tuned through the video. I'm gonna tell you what's going on in our lives. It's been a little bit since we've updated. And super excited to tell you what we have in store. All right, probably gonna cook these about 11-12 minutes or so. Nicole likes hers medium, I'm about medium, just slightly well. Got the butter there, that's just gonna melt on top. All right, real quick, you can see we got some nice smoke on here, just light ventilation. These are gonna cook because they're directly over the heat. I just love a little bit of the smokiness of the charcoal. Just makes it really nice. And grilling out here, it's been fantastic. Little man's just hanging out in the backyard. So the news, what are we up to? Well, we have sold the house. This is our last cooking video from the casa. We actually did a steak video when we left Cave Creek, so I figured it was pretty fitting here. But where in the world are we gonna go and move to now? Well, we're going back to Arizona. Yep, you heard it. We will be living back in Arizona pretty much within the next 2 weeks or so. So, yep, gonna have some good foodie videos from there coming. Won't tell you where we're moving yet. We haven't bought a house, but it's coming. All right, there it is. The overview, nice and charred. Beautiful asparagus. Look at that, oh baby. All right, we'll see you in Arizona. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.